Picture yourself in the 2021 Dodge Durango. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Durango delivers rugged, full-size SUV power and capability, advanced safety features, refined comfort, third-row spaciousness, and the bold spirit born of muscle car heritage. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, touchscreen infotainment system, pre-collision system, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, adaptive cruise control. Why skimp on capability? Get the SUV that's up to the task, the Durango.